Hello and welcome back to English Fluent Forge. This is a safe place to listen, repeat, and practice English slowly. I'm Tom and I'm very happy you are here. In this episode, I speak slowly and clearly. I use easy words and repeat ideas. This helps you shadow my voice, practice speaking, and feel more confident. Today we will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. Not only short sentences but clear and complete ideas. We will talk about your morning, your afternoon, your evening. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your day in simple, natural English. Let's begin. Why talk about your day? Talking about your day is very important. Why? Because your day is real. It happens to you every day. You already know what to say. You don't need to talk about history or science. You don't need difficult words. You only talk about your life. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat, where you go, how you feel. When you talk about your day, you practice real English. English you can use in real life. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to try. A simple example. Someone asks you, "What did you do today?" You can say, "I woke up at 7. I went to work. I drank coffee and answered emails. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV." This is real communication. This is your goal. How to practice every day. You can practice anywhere. Even if you are alone. Even if you are shy. Ask yourself, what did I do today? What did I eat? Where did I go? How did I feel? Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. 1 sentence today. 2 sentences tomorrow. A full story next week. Morning routine. Practice. Now let's practice morning sentences. Please repeat after me. I usually wake up at 7. Sometimes I wake up earlier. If I sleep late, I feel tired. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I stretch my arms and get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. Sometimes I take a shower. I put on clean clothes. I eat a simple breakfast. I drink coffee or tea. Before I leave, I check my phone. I take my bag and go outside. My morning story. Now listen to a short story. In the morning, I wake up around 7. I think about my day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and wear clean clothes. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. Then I check my phone and leave the house. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, many people are busy. Some people work. Some people study. Some people stay at home. You can still practice English. Repeat these sentences. After lunch, I go back to work. I check my emails. I have meetings. Sometimes I feel sleepy. I take a short break. I drink tea or water. Sometimes I take a short walk. I study English for a few minutes. I listen to a podcast. I repeat sentences out loud. My afternoon story. After lunch, I work again. I check my emails and make a list. I have a short meeting. I take a break and drink tea. I study English for a little time. Before I finish, I write what I did today. Evening and night. In the evening, I come home. I sit down and relax. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Sometimes I take a short walk. Before bed, I read or listen to music. I brush my teeth. I go to bed around 11. Now it's your turn. Now speak about your day. Think about morning, afternoon, evening. Use simple sentences. Speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. You are not just learning English. You are using English. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. 1 sentence at a time. This is English Unleashed. I'm proud of you. See you next time. Bye.